All right, when we're writing an equation for a line, we're going to be looking at the kind of the general rule for a line is y equals mx plus b, where this is our slope or rate of change, and this is our y-intercept. So in order to write an equation when given 2 points, we need to first find the slope. So we have to remember that slope is the change in y compared to the change in x. So let's look at how y values change. It goes from -13 to +5. So that means that it is going up by 18. The x values go from -8 to 16, which is a change of 24. And now we just need to simplify this fraction. So I'm going to divide both by 6 to simplify it, and I would get 3/4. So 3/4 is my slope. So when I look at my equation, I now know what that number is. So this m is 3/4. And now I need to find my y-intercept. So now I'm going to say, I'm going to pick a point, and I'm going to use the values from this point because they're positive. So it makes it a little easier for me, I guess. And instead of y, I'm going to put the y value in from the point. So 5 equals 3/4 times, and now instead of the x, I'm going to use the x value from my point, which is 16. And then my goal is to figure out that b, that y-intercept. So 3/4 of 16 is 12. And then to take away 12 from each side, I end up with b is -7. So going back to my equation, I will erase the b, and I will put in a -7 because it's a -7. So I'm going to say -7. My final equation is y equals 3/4 x minus 7.